So, so beside our malt, we also have our wheat to make our wheat beer, 小麦酒 wheat beer. What looks like same but different one. But what are wheat beers? Later I'll explain more also. Right? So other than wheat, we also have our hops. Hops is to create the aroma and bitterness. Using the hops here, it looks like rabbit food, right? Because already processed into a pellet form. First, because it's more concentrated. Second is because all our raw materials are imported. This is to ease the transportation and logistics. Hops also comes in the form of liquid. We don't have it here, we just showcase. So last but not least, we have our yeast. We don't put the real stuff here. If you put the real stuff here, the whole whiskey gallery will be very smelly. So from all these raw materials, how do we produce our beer? Here on this wall outside, I would like to introduce you the art of brewing, step by step. Come here.